Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss this problem. So let's begin the observation part here. So if you observe one thing, we have a quadratic in the greatest integer of x. Is it? Yes. So in this kind of questions, what we actually do, we assume the greatest integer x as t here. Okay. Now after assuming this, what we have now? Look at here. We have now this one. Okay, now it is quite easy to factorize this one because we know the factorization of this. It is going to be t minus 3 and t minus 2. Okay, from here we will get t equals to 3 and t equals to 2 here. Now what we assume earlier, that t is nothing but the greatest integer of x here. Okay, so we will replace it here. The same we will replace here. Now, if you observe one thing, the greatest integer x is going to be 3 when it is less than 4 but equal to or greater than 3. Because if you see here, if the value is at 3 and just before the 4, so these all values will provide you what? 3. Okay, so you can say that x must be belongs to what? 3 comma 4, where 4 is going to be the open interval. Now similarly for the 2, it is going to be like this, 2 and we have 3. Now if we pick the 3, it is going to be what? 3, the greatest integer. That's why we are not picking up and we will pick the 2. So this value are going to provide you what? 2 here. Okay, now look at here. Now from here we can observe one thing. This part says 2 and open interval of 3, but if you observe this part, it says 3, and open interval of 4. Okay, now from here if you take the union, so you will get 2 to 4. Okay, where 4 is what? Going to be the open interval. Okay, so final is going to be this one. Now the question is, which is going to be the correct option? So we have these 4 options. Look at carefully. Now from here we can say one thing, that x must be what? That yes, x belongs to between 3 and 4. Yes, that we know. Okay, now next, x belongs to 2 comma 3. Yes, it is also absolutely correct. Now what about this one? The x belongs to 2 comma 3. Now here it is talking about what? Integer. Okay, so if you observe one thing, yes, x belongs to 2 as an integer. Yes, and if you observe about the 3, again the same answer, that 3 is also belongs to in this interval as an integer, but 4 not. Okay, so the C option is also correct here. So A and the B having the intervals and the C option having what? The set which contain integer values, that is 2 and 3 here. So that's why ABC is going to be the correct one. For such videos, you can subscribe to this channel, and thank you.